Why does someone need to extend their non-immigrant status? The Priale and Racine law firm explains that. You would only do so if you are seeking to stay in the United States for a longer stay than what the airport officer granted you when you arrived in our country. For example, you want to come here and you want to attend a wedding. You tell the officer at the airport, "I'm here for my friend's wedding." They issue you a stay for 30 days. But then, after the wedding, you meet all these other people. They invite you to other states and you want to extend your trip a little bit. That would be a circumstance where you would file the extension of status. The extension does not need to have supporting documents. Traditionally, it includes financial support, how you would be able to maintain your stay here without having to work. If you are here as a temporary visitor, a tourist, you are not allowed to engage in employment in the United States. Traditionally, immigration would want to see that you have a means to support yourself during the extension that you are seeking. They ask for a proof of return trip, that you have already purchased a ticket within the time frame of that extension that you are seeking. It is very important to file the extension. If you do not file the extension and you overstay, even by 1 day, the amount of time that you were allowed to be here, that was granted to you when you arrived at the port of entry, then your visa is revoked. It will be canceled. You go back home, and then you try to re-enter the United States. They can say, "Oh, last time you were here, you overstayed, so we're revoking your visa. We're canceling it, and we're putting you on a plane back home." It is very important, if you are going to stay longer than the stay you were given by the officer at the port of entry, that you must file this extension. For a free phone consultation, contact Priale and Racine Law Firm in Fairfax, Virginia at 703-272-3922 or visit their website at www.prialeracine.com.